This brand new platform that I've never talked about before will mine Bitcoin for you for absolutely free and on autopilot. But if you want to set this up properly, make sure you watch every single second of this tutorial, as there are so many platforms to go over, and if you just skip ahead, this won't work out for you. You'll just end up confused and not knowing what to do and waste your time for no gain. So once again, make sure you stay tuned. With that being said, even though this method will indeed make you some nice money online, it will not make you rich and is not a viable and reliable long-term income strategy. So if you're interested in making money online but in the long run, be sure to check out the first link down below. There, you'll learn not only how to make money online, but how to do so in purely passive income doing nothing. And with all of that said, let's now jump straight into this video. As you have heard prior, there are indeed quite a bit of platforms to go over, so I won't waste your time whatsoever. So let's start with the first one. It's called blockchain.com. Now, what this is basically a cryptocurrency wallet, and you need one if you want to store your Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency for that matter. So your very first step will be to create an absolutely free account on blockchain.com or any other crypto wallet of your choosing. So yeah, it doesn't have to be this one here, I'm just using it as an example. To sign up on this site, all you need to do is just click on Get Started here. On the next page, they will predictably ask you to enter in a bunch of info about yourself, your valid email address, your password, which you'll also need to retype. You will then select a country of residence, and by the way, you can see that this site does work worldwide indeed, as all of these countries are accepted. Anyhow, once you choose your country, the last thing you want to do is tick this box here and click on Create Wallet down below. Now that you have your crypto wallet and you can actually store your cryptocurrency, you will now go over to faucetpay.io. This site will allow us to set up on complete autopilot, and as such is a hugely important part of this strategy. As you can see on their homepage, this will allow you to receive instant cryptocurrency payments from thousands of websites and withdraw it to your personal wallet for a very low fee. So this will basically transfer payments of Bitcoin that you will earn from other websites to your crypto wallet, which in my case would be blockchain.com. And I will show you those other websites, yes, there are multiples of them, in a moment. And by the way, I'm using this site as an example. You can use another one if you so wish, but in this instance, I would highly advise you go along with Faucet Pay. It is one of the best. Anyhow, what you need to do when you come on here is you want to click on the blue Sign Up button here. On the next page, you once again have to enter in some info about yourself. You need to create a unique username, type and retype your valid email address, type and retype your password, tick this box to agree to their terms, complete this CAPTCHA, and finally click on Sign Up below to finish the process. The next site where you will need to sign up to, and a site that's also very important in this strategy, is this one here called expresscrypto.io. And what this is, you can see here. Express Crypto is a brand new cryptocurrency micro wallet powered by Express Group, designed to receive payouts from faucets. And what you need to do on here is click on Sign Up in the upper right corner here. You will now go on and enter in much of the same info you did in the previous two sites. I won't go over that again because it'll just prolong this video. The only thing that's noteworthy though is that once you register, you will need to go over to blockchain.com or wherever you created your Bitcoin wallet, and you will need to copy your Bitcoin address, come over here and paste it. And that's it. You are now ready to make some cryptocurrency. So let's get to the two sites I have for you that will pay you in Bitcoin. The first one is called autofaucet.org. On this website, as you can see on their homepage almost instantly, they provide free crypto coins. On here, you can earn 29 types of cryptocurrency, including the most popular ones, Bitcoin and Ethereum. For the sake of this video, we will be focusing on Bitcoin since, after all, that is the title of this video and what this video is all about. How you will be getting paid in Bitcoin, you can see below. They have various tasks that you can complete. As you can see, the only thing that you need to do is visit the necessary links and complete the easy tasks that you choose from the offer wall. Apart from this though, with this website, you can actually mine Bitcoin using your GPU and CPU power, as you can see. So this means you can basically make crypto on Autopilot, and if you're really interested in getting some free Bitcoin automatically, then stay tuned, because the next platform I have for you will allow you to do just that. Anyhow, the last option they have for you through which you can get some Bitcoin is by playing games. Arguably the most fun of them all, of course. What you need to do once you come onto this platform though, is you want to click on the Get Started button here. Then enter in your username, email address, and password as expected. Tick this box, complete this CAPTCHA, and finally click on Sign Up below to create an account on this website. Once you log in, this is how everything will look. Down here, you will be able to see the amount of crypto you've acquired thus far, which is, of course, 0 for the time being, but that will change very soon. To get Bitcoin on this site, what you need to do is click on Free Tokens here, and you'll now be able to choose how you want to get your Bitcoin, through short links, by mining it, through offer walls, and lastly, you can get Bitcoin through a daily bonus, which is a really nice addition indeed. Once you get some Bitcoin, you will be able to transfer it to Faucet Pay, and from there to your Bitcoin wallet, which in my case is of course blockchain.com. With that said, guys, even though this is a fantastic platform, it works and it will reward you in Bitcoin, we're not talking about a lot of Bitcoin. So because of that, I have another platform to share with you, one that will get you more crypto and on autopilot as well. The site in question is called autofaucet.duchycorp.space. Make sure you get the URL right since it is a bit different to say the least. Anyhow, on this platform, they offer 56 coins, as you can see. Far more than that previous site. They also offer the highest rewards and a really nice referral program, so it's definitely an option to refer people to the site because they do pay really well. What you need to do so you can get started is once again sign up to the site by clicking on the sign up button here, then enter in a bunch of your info as usual. Once you log in, this is how everything will now look. You will be able to see your level here, which for now will be 1. As you level up, your Bitcoin made will steadily increase in turn as well. What you need to do now is select a payment method so you can actually get paid. And some of you are probably confused as to why we created an account on Express Crypto prior when we had done so on both blockchain and Faucet Pay. And here's why. This site will pay you to Express Crypto indeed, so you will want to select that before you can start earning some Bitcoin. And now that you have done that, here is literally all you need to do in order to make Bitcoin automatically. Select how often you want to receive Bitcoin, every minute, 2 minutes, and so on. You will then go ahead and select the cryptocurrency you want, in this case, Bitcoin. Scroll down until you come across this section where you'll complete this CAPTCHA, and once done, just click on Start Auto Faucet, and that's it. This will now get you Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency you prefer on autopilot with you doing literally nothing from there. As easy as that. If you want to check out some of my other videos that I have, then be sure to click on the ones that should pop up on the screen any minute now. And with that said, make sure you leave a like down below if you liked this video. It really helps. And if you haven't already, you'll want to subscribe to my channel and tick the bell icon as well so you get notified whenever a new video has been uploaded. As always, thank you for watching and see you all soon in some of the upcoming videos.